Hello, who is it? Hello? Hello? Oh, it's you. I'm sorry, I'm from America. But welcome to MSC Euribia, cabin number 12074, 12074. And this is a Fantastica balcony stateroom. And Fantastica is one of the 3 classes of staterooms on board, which don't just include balconies. You have Bella, Fantastica, and Aurea. So Fantastica's in the middle. It gives you a few perks, one of them being the breakfast delivered to the room for no fee. So you just fill out these slips, hang them on the door as per usual. So you fill this out and hang it on your door and it will come to your room with free delivery. It's just basic stuff. So your coffee, tea, hot, cold milk, juices, cereal, yogurts, bread, selection of pastries. So it's kind of like a continental breakfast. But there's no delivery fee associated with it. There is other perks. I'm not really familiar with what they are, maybe the way the room is and maybe the size. But let's start here. As we come in, we have a lot of stuff going here. Obviously, this is the desk slash vanity slash put all your stuff here because your charging solutions are here, your 2 European, as well as your 2 US and 2 USBs built in. You do have an actual minibar, stocked minibar, as you can see there. You even get a kettle, as you can see here, a kettle. You get a kettle here with European plug, so it will snap in here. It looks like you get powdered coffee crystals, as well as some tea choices and some milk that's not refrigerated. Maybe that's fine. What else do we have here? Here is, of course, your drawer, which is empty. Down here you have your stool slash storage stool, it looks like, slash not storage stool, just handle stool. No actual chair with a back, which is not good. And you also have under here a very heavy coffee table, which I guess this has to come out of there for me to sit. It's really heavy actually. Don't pinch your fingers. Wow. You got your drawers, your run-of-the-mill. Oh, there's a hairdryer. Sewing kit. That's the first that I've ever seen. All empty. Oh, are those yours? Oh, okay. I was like, wait a minute. Oh, thank God, that would have been scary. We have a love seat here. It does not fold out. We already checked. Here's the bed. But while we're here, we did just kind of get all our luggage, everything. We just came in. Here is the small closet, which MSC, we've seen this before. I think to get anything larger, you need to get a suite. There's your safe. It is not laptop size. You could get a tablet in there maybe, a small tablet, as well as your documents, your phones. We never really lock anything up anymore though, to be honest. You get your choice here of some drawers, and it's real tight, so I'm just going to open it up here because I've got all the stuff in the way. There's a lot of pinch hazards. You have your hanging here and it goes all the way here. There's no extra shelf. Here's the laundry bags hanging up there, but there's no extra hanging spot. But here's a bad right there, if your finger's in there. I think they kind of put the brakes on it, it looks like, so it doesn't like slam. Yeah, there's kind of, so I guess you have some time. So that's good. Here's a full-length mirror to check before you go out on the fancy nights. That brings us here to the AC and the master lighting. The AC says Euribia, so I wonder if that's how you pronounce the ship's name. Euribia. It's pretty much easy to understand. Cold is this, hot is that, up and down, or on and off. Here's a do not disturb button, makeup room button, which I'm not going to hit because I hear it does signal them. I could be wrong. But this will have a light on the outside which shows so you don't have to hang anything on the door. Master lighting, which is controlled by this. I had trouble getting this to work, but I guess you just rest it in there. I don't know. Someone said, I saw, oh, it's flashing. Oh, I guess you just got to leave it in there and everything works. Okay. Let's go to the restroom here. You got your hooks, pretty good hooks as well. Some hooks here, 3 of them for all your other stuff. Here's the MSC. Whoa! That is an expanding mirror. Kind of a weird, I guess your elbow won't hit that. This is a rather tight room. These are kind of the rooms I don't like, but I think they really did better here than the Meraviglia, because you do have the option to tuck this knee back in here a little bit. Whereas I remember on the Meraviglia, it was like you're just in a tight spot here if you're a large person. But you do have your excess towels under there, as well as here is where your waste bin is, built-in hanging, extra toilet paper. Tissues are in a weird spot, but they're, oh no, these are not tissues. Those are bags for hygiene products. Here's your hand towels, as well as your built-in soap for your hand soap. So that's a nice feature. I'm not gonna pump it, but y'all get the gist. An okay size shower. I will say it's not as large as our last cruise. Maybe it is. But see, no real handle on the inside. I don't get why they do that. So you kind of gotta, I guess you could pull up here. I mean, it's enough. It's enough to do a little feature in here. You've got your built-in shampoo and shower gel shelf, your, I think, unnecessary towel rack, and as well as some built-in stains, it looks like. We're not sure what that is. But yeah, it'll get the job done. It's kind of a weird color in here to me. Everything's like beige. I guess it's better than other alternatives. You have a lot of different textures in here. Some interesting art. Pretty big TV. It does not face the bed, which was one of my pet peeves, but I think it can tilt. Oh, okay. That's a lot better. So that'll do. That's, at least they did that. So that's, you know what, that gets a 8 out of 10 on TV placement. But the real star is this large full-length mirror, full-width mirror, which is placed right in front of the bed, which I can only imagine what that could be for. Wake up and do your affirmations in the morning. Either side of the bed does have these built-in reading lights, which are, you can turn them around and pinpoint them in different spots. And they're just touch sensitive to turn off. You don't need to push anything, barely even tap. As well as your ambient lighting here and a built-in USB spot. Little storage on either side of the bed. And if you wanted to split this, I believe this room can be split. I could be wrong. They would slide the beds over and these in the middle if you wanted 2 twins. That's pretty much it. Well, I guess let's check out this balcony, because we are in Southampton. It's one of these like where that's where the effort's at. Child lock is up here, which that is not really, I think most children will figure that out. And then once it's locked up there, it's like butter. It's like butter. It's actually pretty wide. Just enough for 2 people, as well as a footrest / table. Sit out here in the cold European air. Just look at that. This is an active port offloading countless vehicles. Those might be Teslas, you're right. Volkswagens or Teslas, we're not sure, but all the way down there. And there's an old church. There's so much to see and do here probably in the port of Southampton, but there's an IKEA. Oh my gosh. We could have went to IKEA and got some meatballs, but that's fine. We'll do that when we get back to the United States. That's pretty much it for the Fantastica balcony cabin 12074 on the MSC Euribia. Euribia, maybe with the V. Oh, the beach towels are here. This is embarkation day, so we've got our luggage, everything. This is the cleanest this room will be this trip, so enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Bye. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you can, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to see more. Bye.